these kangaroos suddenly hopped into a neighborhood. Their arrival brought a lot of trouble for the residents, so the locals brought in dogs to chase them away. The kangaroos leapt with all their strength, trying to escape. In the chaos, one Joey was even shaken off its mother's pouch, but the dogs kept chasing without slowing down. For the young Joey, this became a fight for survival. It pushed its speed to the absolute limit. Even the slightest slowdown would mean getting caught. The Joey had never faced anything like this before. At that moment, all it wanted was to escape the chase. Its explosive power was beyond imagination. The little kangaroo that had been clinging to its mom suddenly unlocked its hidden potential. Yet the dogs still refused to give up. Their focus was locked onto the Joey to shake them off. The Joey showed incredible cleverness. It used zigzag moves to widen the gap. The dogs, once right on its tail, were suddenly thrown off track. With every powerful jump, the distance between them grew larger. Finally, the Joey managed to break free, escaping danger and keeping its life.